Exploring the Magic of Words. Wizardry Workshop, in English. Hello everyone! Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English phrases. And our focus will be on understanding the phrase, Wizardry Workshop. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English expressions, this video is for you. So, let's embark on this magical journey together and unravel the secrets behind these words. First, let's dissect the phrase, Wizardry Workshop. Wizardry refers to the skills or practices of a wizard, often involving magic and sorcery. Think of wizards in popular stories, casting spells and making potions. Workshop, on the other hand, is a place where work is done. Typically, it's a room or building where people create, build, or repair things. So, when we combine these two words, we get a phrase that conjures up images of a place where magical skills are developed, practiced, or demonstrated. Now, let's explore where and how this phrase might be used. Wizardry Workshop can be used literally or metaphorically. In a literal sense, it might refer to a class or event where participants learn about magic tricks or fantasy-related crafts. Metaphorically, it can describe any situation or environment where creative and extraordinary skills are being developed or displayed. For example, a technology lab creating cutting-edge gadgets might be humorously called a Wizardry Workshop. This phrase can also be enriched by cultural references. In literature and movies, workshops of wizards are often depicted as places of wonder, innovation, and mystery. This cultural background adds a layer of excitement and intrigue to the phrase. When used in everyday conversation, it might imply that something remarkable or out of the ordinary is happening. To understand better, let's see some examples. 1. The children attended a wizardry workshop at the library, where they learned to make their own magic wands. 2. Our coding boot camp is like a wizardry workshop. You come in knowing little and leave with the ability to create amazing programs. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase, Wizardry Workshop, for you. It's a phrase that blends creativity, magic, and skill, and can add a touch of enchantment to our conversations. Keep exploring the wonders of the English language, and remember, every word and phrase is a step on the journey to becoming a language wizard. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.